Hi, welcome to Braids and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, Rhino make big threat against vloggers, not only him, but also Rygin King. So, I'm going to put my 2 cents to this because I also do vlogging, and that's why I don't do a lot of dancehall vlogging. Because a lot of the times they feel like vloggers need to be artists, cheerleaders, and fangirl. That's not how it works. We build our platforms, and it's very hard to build our platforms when other vloggers now fight against we, and YouTube now fight against we, and don't want to monetize our videos. Or the same artists, we use one 25 seconds, not even minute, 25 seconds clip. They want to take our videos and use our videos for themselves. I want all the funds from our video goes directly to them because we use one like a 25-second clip. And it's very hard to build our platform. I don't know what it is, if it's because vloggers nowadays, we run things as far as the internet is concerned. So if we don't talk about it, then it's not popping. It's not hot. I guess them that's why them always in them feelings. So it's funny because when news entity talk about the same thing, Gleaner, Observer, Star, and talk about these artists or these well-known people in Jamaica, they don't ever diss them, but them have time for this vloggers though. Them have time for this week.
Remember me said the blogger boy or the blogger girl suck your man and a scream record my life and put it out and put no bad remarks because sound stay. You don't like pick out the good news, you don't like take out the bad news. I'm holding on to see. Feel like me no chattings. Slap one on the face. Blogger boy. Blogger girl.
Me say no, so me try show the people. Me and Black Rhino do a good song called Somebody Pitney. All around Somebody Pitney, you see me? Yeah, you might have one shoes, your arm pit probably stink or your teeth one brush, you probably not have a toothbrush or the toothpaste to do it. Because some people, you get what me I say? Yeah no. So watch out now, the vlogger them all know, me not see no vlogger say, yo, Bombard, this is a good song, this, you know. Yeah man, we're going to review this. No. But if you say fuck, you're not ready for review it, that's why you say Rhino burning out what their phone, Rhino burning out what their phone look style at. You know, and you know why I do that video? I pre back the comments and the people, I say some waste man blogger. I'll know our vlogger, I won't want them, I'll know no review them song, you say somehow no, not got dead.
Funny enough, Rhino talk about how some of them vloggers you have dead, and quite honestly that's why your music probably isn't going anywhere, because you think one-sided, and one-sided does not work. If you have an issue or if you have a project that you think needs to be highlighted, why don't you contact the vloggers and say, yo, me need you to do a promo on that song here, or let your fans go to the vloggers them and be like, please review Rhino's song and all these things. But no, you know what your fans send to us? The video of you dissing us. That's what they send because them love mix up. Why don't you cuss the fans that wasn't paying attention to your music and didn't ask the vloggers to review your music? Because most of the time our channel runs on subscribers. What they ask us to do is what we put out. And they have the saying of vloggers like to run with the negative and blah blah blah. We do a lot of positive videos that don't get highlight. So when you talk about vloggers love to highlight negative, we do a lot of positive videos and they definitely don't get highlighted and they don't get viewed and they don't get watched. So when we talk and they run on the mouth, y'all need to do your research first. And when y'all threaten people, make sure you know the power you hold, because you can be on social media threatening people and you have one like a yes man or one like a yes gal round you when nothing on going for, and them feel like, oh, Rhino, Rhino and Rygin King, so them vlogger boy and them vlogger girl off it dead, and then some waste man see us in public and try kill we. Know the power you hold. That's what's wrong with these nowadays artists. They don't know the power they hold or the influence. And it's crazy that we can build our platforms crying and screaming and kicking to build our platforms, and then we get this because we don't do reviews for certain artists. Me, quite frankly, I rarely do reviews. I really have to love a song to do a review on it. And my reviews are normally in-depth, word for word, with music in there. So, and that's why a lot of people stay out of the dancehall arena, because these artists are so negative and disrespectful. And what you guys don't understand is that vloggers are leading the way. So it's either you want to on the good side of the vloggers or you want to on the bad side of the vloggers. You need to pick which one, because a lot of these artists out here that talk about vloggers for dead. I don't want no vlogger boy or vlogger girl do me video on this and that, blah blah blah, tay. And if the vlogger boy and the vlogger girl don't promote your music and promote your music for free now, then you're not hot a road. You're not getting no bookings. And if the vlogger boy and vlogger girl or whatever you want to call them don't promote your stuff, look how quick your bookings start dry up. And that's real talk. So have some respect. One hand wash the other. I saw this go. And a lot of them, these artists like to act like them too big to contact vloggers to promote their work, and them dip on social media, they boast about how them have a Kyle in them hand or a stocking in them hand, and when them come to the vloggers, they want the vloggers to actually promote their stuff for free or liquor to nothing. You know, work, so we work hard for a platform. So it's up to these artists now if they want to be on the bad side or the good side of vloggers. My husband personally did multiple videos about Shano from last year, saying that he is an artist to watch. My husband actually even did Somebody Pitney review the same day the song dropped. And then Rhino contact hubby and say, yo, push the promo ya for me. And that's exactly what he did. But then don't do their research. Them quick for cuss way. But them not quick for apologize. And I'm sure my husband won't get an apology either, because he was one of the vloggers that actually did the review. And him talk about no vlogger no do no review upon my video. Which is a damn lie. But that's the fight we get in this arena, not only from other vloggers but also these artists. And it's very disheartening and sad, but it is what it is. And now the vloggers have the choice to, everybody would diss them and tell them call we vlogger boy or vlogger girl or flogger girl or whatever you want to call themselves, trying to disrespect what we do and discredit what we do. Now these vloggers have the opportunity not to really promote. No, these vloggers have the ability, even if them like a song, they definitely won't review it or give you a spotlight on their little part of the internet. Because y'all are mad disrespectful. If Vybz Kartel can big up my husband on his verified Facebook page and big up vloggers in general, who are you to these vloggers? Are you in Vybz Kartel League? Any one of the artists them would call with vloggers, foggers, or whatever y'all want to call us. Are y'all in Vybz Kartel League? No. And that right there is all I have to say. I'm going to finish the liquor video and I'll see you in my next videos, because I have real good content for y'all later. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces. Waste argument, them here.
Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.